Escap Camper Life. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 concept, a van that's built to redefine toughness and capability. For years, the Savana lineup has been a go-to for businesses, adventurers, and van lifers alike, and this new concept model promises to take things to the next level. The 2025 Savana 3500 concept keeps the rugged DNA of its predecessors but adds modern innovation to make it even more versatile. Under the hood, it's expected to feature a powerful V8 engine or an advanced turbocharged powertrain, delivering the strength needed for hauling heavy loads or towing with confidence. GMC is also rumored to be exploring hybrid or even fully electric options, making this van a forward-thinking choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on power. One of the biggest upgrades in this concept is its exterior design. GMC has given the Savana a more aerodynamic shape while maintaining its bold, boxy presence. A reinforced chassis and improved suspension system make it better suited for all terrains, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off-grid. The front grille has been modernized, featuring GMC's signature LED lighting, and the overall design reflects durability and strength. Inside, the Savana 3500 concept focuses on both comfort and functionality. The cabin has been reimagined with high-tech upgrades, including a digital dashboard, a larger infotainment screen, and advanced driver assist technologies. With increased cargo space and modular seating arrangements, it's designed to adapt to various needs, from commercial use to camper conversions. GMC is also prioritizing connectivity, with built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, and smart integration for seamless navigation and communication on the road. Safety is another major highlight. The 2025 model is expected to include features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering easier, especially in tight spaces. These additions enhance the driving experience, whether you're using the van for work or adventure. The concept is still in development, and GMC hasn't confirmed all the details yet. However, if this model makes it to production with these anticipated features, it could become one of the most capable and versatile vans on the market. Whether you're a business owner needing reliable transportation, a road trip enthusiast looking for a solid base for a camper build, or simply someone who appreciates a strong, well-built van, the 2025 Savana 3500 concept is shaping up to be a game changer. That's it for today's deep dive into GMC's Iron Giant. What do you think about the 2025 Savana 3500 concept? Would you consider it for your next build or business use? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching Escap Camper Life, and we'll see you in the next one.